In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up credit card accounts in QuickBooks Online. Setting up a credit card account correctly is an essential first step in managing your business's expenses and ensuring accurate financial reporting. So, let's dive in and explore how you can do this efficiently and effectively. First, start by navigating over to the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Here, you'll find the gear icon. Clicking on this will present you with several options. What you want to select is the chart of accounts. This area is vital as it provides a structured list of all the accounts that capture your company's financial transactions. Once you're in the chart of accounts, your next move is to create a new account. Look towards the top right corner again, and you'll see an option labeled New Account. By clicking on this, you open up a new page dedicated to setting up your credit card account details. With this new window open, you'll need to enter the account name. It's wise to choose a name that clearly relates to your credit card for easy identification. This could be the name of the bank or the card itself, offering you clarity when you reference back to it later on. Next, you need to adjust the account type. Since you're setting up a credit card, both the account type and detail type should be set to credit card. Ensuring this is set correctly is crucial because it dictates how transactions associated with this account are tracked and reported. Afterwards, go ahead and enter the beginning balance of your credit card account. This is usually the starting balance from your latest credit card statement prior to entering transactions into QuickBooks. Additionally, don't forget to include the date of this beginning balance. This date is important as it marks the starting point for tracking all subsequent transactions. With all this information entered, you're all set. Your new credit card account has been successfully created in QuickBooks Online. Now, what happens next is up to you. Just click on View Register, and this will allow you to manually add any transactions linked to this specific credit card over time. If you prefer automation, or if you already have a list of transactions ready, QuickBooks Online supports importing these transactions via CSV or Excel sheets, making it a flexible tool that caters to your preference. And that's it. Setting up a credit card account in QuickBooks Online is straightforward and vital for managing your business finances. By following these steps, you ensure that your credit card transactions are tracked correctly, making financial reporting much easier down the line. Thanks for tuning in, and happy balancing in QuickBooks Online.